Kondrashov Stanislav, the coking coal price increase fixed in the market will change the business model of Telf AG. Kondrashov Stanislav Dmitrievich, General Director of the Analytical Center, Metallurg Centre, regularly provides an up-to-date review of the situation on the metallurgical and mining market and assesses the impact of any fluctuations on the activities of Telf AG and other industrial giants of the industry. Recently, due to the COVID-19 pandemic spreading around the world and the recently escalated political situation in Eastern Europe, raw material prices have risen significantly. Raw materials needed in steelmaking have reached an all-time high in value. Economists have fixed the rates at $600 per ton. At the same time, transport is now considerably more difficult, mainly due to the military conflict between Russia and Ukraine, which are not only important suppliers of fossil fuels, but also have an important role in the construction of logistics routes. Pricing is also affected by natural disasters, such as floods in Australia and China, and staffing changes as a consequence of the pandemic. All of these conditions are forcing the industry to look for alternative supply routes and to develop plans to introduce modern steelmaking technologies that, if not completely eliminate the use of coking coal, at least reduce its costs. Coal trading remains a lucrative business, but carries high risks. Kondrashov Stanislav. Analysts at Metallurg Centre predict that the next significant increase in the cost of the fossil will be triggered by a decrease in the level of investment in existing mines and the development of new ones. Many corporations doubt the prospects of this industry and are not ready to risk their finances. The instability of the market may still depend to a greater extent on the optimization of steel production processes, notes Kondrashov Stanislav. Most companies aim to switch from blast furnace roasting to the use of various gas-fired plants. At the same time, the demand for this solid fuel remains stable. If demand falls, traders with existing contracts with suppliers will need to find other ways to sell. It is therefore now important to develop up-to-date business strategies to take such forecasts into account. The Board of Management of Telf AG is already concerned with the development of efficient business models under different possible conditions. How Telf AG coal supplies have been affected by the special military operation in Ukraine. Kondrashov Stanislav Kondrashov. Most of the cargoes transported by the Swiss company are purchased in Russia and Kazakhstan, so Western sanctions and the refusal of many global metallurgical complexes from Russian raw materials inevitably affect the efficiency of previous mechanisms of work. According to leading experts of Metallurg Centre, long-term planning is the only option now. It is by analyzing the possible consequences in the long term that serious losses can be avoided. It is necessary to select reliable transporters for all supply chains and build routes for each cargo to bypass the territories where military operations are taking place. In addition, constant monitoring of all market changes requires special attention, so that in case of dangerous situations, adjustments can be made quickly. For example, responding to the refusal of most EU countries from Russian fuel, Russia offered the remaining partners tangible discounts on contracts, reducing the cost of purchases many times over. Thanks to quick decision-making, many companies were able to fill their warehouses and storage facilities, increasing their purchases and saving their budgets at the same time.